So when we remodeled our house and put in the hardwoods and installed the new wooden doors, as the temperature changed, I noticed that my door was rubbing in one spot on the hardwoods, and you can see it made a small little mark, which I can fix with some stain. But I wanted to figure out a way, without taking the door off, how I could sand that one section. And here's what I came up with. I decided to take a microfiber cloth, which is nice and soft. And as you close the door, it actually, because the height is different, there's a gap, a bigger gap there where it's not rubbing. So I took the microfiber cloth, laid it flat, took a 60 grit sander, pure piece of sandpaper. This actually has little latches on the back to kind of connect or help it grip, and I lay it right on the corner of the microfiber. Lay it flat, and here's what I do with it to get it under the door. So to prevent the sandpaper from scratching the hardwood floors, I took the microfiber, put the sandpaper on it, and then when the door has a bigger gap, I slide it on. You slide it so that you've got space, so that it's soft underneath. Then you move it to a spot where it doesn't grip, and you slide it back and forth. And then as you start to wear it down, you can move it where the spot is a little higher, and keep sanding it back and forth. That way you're not scraping the floor. You keep going. Once that gets smooth and you've gotten some of the surface off, you can slide it back and make it a little tighter. And then when you're all done, it doesn't scrape anymore. Voila.